Hi guys, we are gonna make a video, a mukbang, and we are in
Balot Pinoy. It's
Pinoy.
Jackie's first time to eat balot. Is that your first time, baby? Oh, the soup is really good. Try. Suck it. The soup. Come on, you can do it. Just like chicken soup. Okay? Good, right?
Yeah, by the way,
By the way,
but I don't want. Ugh.
yummy. It's just an egg. Come on.
No,
Soup.
you go. But it looks yucky inside.
It's not yucky. It's yummy.
Ew. You're like kissing it.
No, I'm drinking the soup.
No.
Some
You're-
salt.
You're like kissing it when you're like kissing it. You're like kissing the yucky stuff.
No more soup. Oh no.
You're like kissing the yucky stuff.
It's just an egg yolk. Look.
Oh, why is it huge? It looks black. Oh, so gross. Oh, it looks so disgusting. Oh, no, I don't want to try that. Mommy,
What? It's just an egg yolk. See?
Ew. No, it looks rotten. Ew, why are you eating it? Ew. Stop. This is the worst mukbang ever.
You think so?
Yeah, because that egg looks disgusting. It looks so black and looks rotten. Ugh.
Look. Someone was going up, baby. Look. Please. Nabusan pala ako ng loy, ah.
Can you open it? You're taking cherry up. No, I don't want to. I don't want to eat that. It's the worst egg. It's the worst egg ever.
Oh, I don't like that one.
Like what?
Is it baby chicken there? Come on over here. Look. Come on. Turn the camera.
Ah! Ah! Stop!
I don't eat that, baby. Okay.
Wait, is that
Where?
chicken egg?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh!